I bought this lock for my son and daughter-in-law for their house for safety and for the reasonable price. And about a month into the lock, you could not push the numbers to unlock the door. Only some numbers will work. The 1 will work, the 2 will not work, the 3 will not work, the 4 will not work, the 5 will not work. I believe the 6 will work. The 7 may work. The 8, 9. Okay, so 2, 3, 4. Nothing works. So their code that they put in, they cannot set because these buttons will not work. Please help me understand the problem if there is a fix to this. Thank you.